Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to talk about a very interesting topic that I have come with. So I was using NgRoks. Okay, so NgRok is as a development environment that could create proxy servers, uh, and it can convert your local APIs to a server-based API without moving to it to a server. So if there is a work on from home environment and some other front-end developer is working on other part of the world, you can just create the API from your desktop application or your laptop, and then with the NgRok you can uh, port forward it to a certain system so that it can be used. But it has some limitations. So it's paid, and it's just only one available environment system. If you can see the pricings, I have found an alternative, Zork. Zork is a very high level alternative to this, and this is a game changer for me. It's a open source alternative, and this is not a paid one. So I am using it as a backend developer for a major company. So used it regularly. So I'm trying to share it with you. So now, how you can get into this? So now with Zork, if you click on this get started green button, you can download the Windows um, SDK file or exe file, that the binary of the file for the CLI, just like Stripe or any other thing. Mac and Linux, I hope the same is happening with their system as well. Okay, so now I have put Zork CLI here, and if you go to my environment variables, I have put in the path over here, CLI, right? Okay, so as I have put in that path, now in the CMD, Zork is working. Okay, so it's like Stripe, maybe Stripe CLI that is you can see on the top. It's same like that. Just put it into the environment and it will work. So now, what is the first step? So first you have to invite email ID, right? So my email ID is something like this here. So let me grab that email ID for me. Okay, and put it here. Confirm my email ID, put it here, and then I put the enter tag. Now invitation has been sent. Now you can see that invitation has been arrived, and you can create an account from here as well. So you can see you are just moving into the Zrok registration with a URL, and it's getting the invite for you. Yeah, you have to set the password here. Just a second, it's just loading. Yeah, you just have to set a password. So let me set something. Register, and once I register, okay, you can see, just leave it for now. You can see, just go to, you can process with the web portal. You can just enter into the web portal. So I just logged into the system, and you can see I have logged into the system. This is a graph. Okay, do not look, it's looking like a segment here, but it's a graph exactly. So you can see all the details over here and everything over here. Now you just have to copy the enable the environment. Once you enable the environment, just copy this one. Okay, you just go into this section and you can paste it. So it's enabled, right? So when you enable this one, you can see this is enabled, right? Okay, so everything is enabled here. Now I have a very simple application for you that I wanted to share. So previously I was doing the Olama tutorial, so let us start with this one. So I want to share this API. Now you can see, oh sorry, so you can see this is the API. So you copy this one just for just normal purpose. You can see this is what is coming out of that API. Now what I am going to share right now. Now I want to share this URL, right? So I want to just do that by open another terminal, just write and copy this URL. Wait a second for some time, and here we go. This is the public URL. If you copy this one, open this one, it will go to the same section. So this is my localhost URL, this is my server URL, and now you can see I have this localhost here. If you click on the node, you will get the matrix from here. What is this going on, how this happening, or how this is going on. You can just get and delete this one, so doesn't matter. Okay, so even you have everything here in the matrix. If you click on this one, you can see the matrix. You can click on this one, you can see the action, who is using, how much data is passing out, and this is active, right? See, so this is a game changer. Right now you can give this URL to any of the person who is working on your team as a front-end developer, and that person does not need a server anymore. So you do not have to put your APIs on the servers to test it before or something. Even you do not have a server. Sometimes when you do development, we do not have servers at that very moment of time. So we can share the API URL like this. And this is the best alternative. Now, there is one certain problem, that is, if you are a backend developer, you can understand this URL is going to change each and every time you generate, right? So that is the problem. Now your front-end developer will be complaining out why this URL is again changing out again and again. So for that, if you go into this section, share private, you can use the Zrok reserved mode. Once you use the Zrok reserved mode, you can create the same API from the same place, then this URL will not change. Okay, so if I go into here and delete this, it just ended. All the session has been ended. So there is nothing else is going on here. Is everything is dead here. All things are closed. So it's so much helpful for a developer, backend developer who is developing the things out. And you can see the things is always out from here as well. So this is something very useful, like me to share with you, so you can go ahead and try it out. So all the developers who are working would be help with this one. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, do subscribe to my channel.